How you fellas doing? Welcome to Dave's Garage. I'm going to do a little unboxing and then we'll do an install. This is a Prinsu low profile roof rack for that FJ80 Land Cruiser I got. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and have a look. Alright, let's get started. So there's a typical amount of damage from UPS or FedEx or whomever. Alright, let's get the top off, get you guys in here. Alright, normal amount of, ridiculous amount of packing. That's good. Shows those guys want you to get the product in one piece and in good shape, which allows you to more effectively damage it upon installation or while you're off-roading. Alright, so give you a little bit better look here. Let's see, we got some hardware, got the sidebars, a little bit of gasketing for the wind fairing, which I don't see offhand, but I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Yeah, let's look for a second. What do you think? Oh, interesting. Okay, well, give me a second to double check and see if I do in fact have that wind fairing. There's that fairing. Let me get this stuff out on the driveway so we can take a better look. Alright, there's the load bars. Here's the rack mounts and the rack itself. There's the fairings and a couple of obligatory stickers. Alright, so here's how I'm putting this together with one person. So the flare goes out, not in. What you want to do is get a couple of the load bars and screws started. That way it'll hold itself up, and that'll give you an opportunity to put thread lock on the rest of them. You need to put these little T-bar nutserts in there so that you can mount the fairing. All right, I'm going to keep going. I was pulling the rack together and I noticed that these feet have letters on them. F, M, and R. Well, I just now figured out what that's for. So that's an M, it's a middle foot. And if you noticed here, you use the correct R foot, it pulls down properly. But if you weren't paying attention, like yours truly, and you tried to put the F foot there, it doesn't allow you to suck it down. All right, there's the finished product. Keep in mind when you're doing this, take your time, alternate sides and positions when you're pulling it down. These feet are now marked front, middle, and rear. And this is a new design by Prinsu as far as attaching this rack to the drip rails. All right, guys, stay safe, stay grungy.